Okay, ready? This is Amber's big jump. Try number 1.
Try number 2.
A little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
Alright, pause.
No.
Pause her. Just what are you doing?
Okay, yeah, it's all good.
Try.
It's number 3, really.
That would suck.
Does that hurt? Does that hurt?
Here is touch.
4. Yeah, that's me and awesome catching skills. And that's Amber with not good skills.
You can stop.
We're working our way up to number 5.
Ready?
Hmm?
Here. Try number 4.
5. Oh shoot, it's still recording. Last attempt.
Recording?
Yep.
This is my final attempt.
Yeah, I told you. She's a retard. Ow.
Are you still recording?
No.